Papigil ng marami, malupit na dumiskate. Handa pakita sa mundo ang pagkakaiba. Pag may pangarap, handang makipagsabay sa BL. Ito ang bigan ng bayan, homegrown.
Undefeated as Tikas.
Yes, Ben, as you take a look at the team
This game is an indication Batangas could be a dangerous team, Carl.
yes, they showed flashes of the
Being the counter-attack for Batangas. For Batangas, Fernandez magpanta. First 2 points goes to Tikas Kapampangan. They go to the post. Calpito on top against Ganya.
his presence early on here with that zigzag his way into the basket for 2.
Magpantay waits for the screen. Decides to go one. As we see Batangas with the possession. Magpantay. Here's the screen there by Calpito. The baseline drive.
His offensive prowess that time.
Set play here. Dalisay passes it outside to Calpito. 8 on the shot clock. They go. Teo Campo to Dalisay. 10 on the shot clock. Dalisay passes it outside. Teo Campo surrounded by 2 defenders. Short pass. Calpito the fake. Siya now taking charge for the Tikas Kapampangan team. 9 on the shot clock for Batangas. Pressure there by Jake Munoz. Magpantay. Or this is the behind. First it was Ed Nilag, now it's Binuya.
Able to take advantage courtesy of Manalang.
Andal with the left hand for 2.
Quick answer for Batangas, Barako Venomart Andal. Quick to make his presence felt.
Binuya. This is a 3-point shot and that goes in.
Binuya, rhythm jumper. The defense left him and he was quick to make them pay.
Teo Campo against Manala. Here's Omak. Drop pass to Teo Campo. Pick and roll, read by Munoz. Francisco saves it, but he ran out of room. It will stay with Batangas.
Another good defensive possession for Tikas Kapampangan. Batangas had 2 possessions that time but still could not convert on either.
Landicho will inbound in front of us. Macaraig against Santos. Escapes. Jumper from the baseline.
Nice turn.
As you see Landicho against Munoz. Does not use the screen.
Uri finally finding the target.
Teo Campo wants a screen. Teo Campo, drop pass. Nice.
Scoring as you take a look at the leading scorers. Tikas Kapampangan off the bench and everyone contributing now for Tikas Kapampangan.
One side of the gallery. Celebrating that basket by Carlos. Meanwhile, the listing.
The point guard blow by him and another poor defensive effort for Batangas.
Macaraig against Reniel Gomez. Back to the Lisay. Back to Macaraig with 8 on the shot clock. Teo Campo. And against Ed Nilag. They pass it to Teo Campo. Posting up against Manalang. The hook shot is good.
That was a horn split for Teo Campo to just find space.
Tikas has scored as we see Magpantay with a 3-point shot.
And he can really hit that.
Meanwhile, we have a whistle on the play.
Turn around for Macaraig that time and keeping his defender on his hip and hitting over the arms of another defender.
Batangas, Barako, Venom Art Athletics with a 0-2 win-loss record against the reigning Governors Cup champions. Uri fires for 3.